We leave for Georgia today, and I'm so behind on everything. It's been a morning already. I had to take Mike into work so he doesn't have to come all the way back home, but it's... I don't know if I like traveling. I don't think I'm a big fan of traveling. It's just too much work. I wish it was easier. His stuff is packed. I need to get my stuff packed, and I have no clue what I want to... What do I wear? What do I take? I need outfits for tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. And that shouldn't be too hard, but I'll make it difficult. I'll find a way. Well, let me see if I can find a top to go with this sweater. I really think it needs a white turtleneck, but I might have something else that could work. Like, I have this, but my concern is that it would be way too much going on with the buttons. Too much texture. It's not bad. This is just so stunning that it needs something that's like a blank slate under it to really let it shine. And I just feel like that's way too much. But we'll go with it. We'll take it just in case, and maybe I'll take something else as well. I'll take these. What else we got? What else do I got? Jeans. Gotta take the dogs over to Grandma and Granddad's. Y'all ready for a truck ride? Dixie, are you so excited? What about you, Sadie? Where's Zuzu? Where'd she go? Where'd Zoe go? There she is. She was outside the whole time. All right, everybody's gonna be good while I'm gone. Back home, we gotta get this done. Last bit of packing, last bit of moving stuff around. Here he comes.
There's the hospital. And that's the original hospital. Right there in front of us. History lesson.
So we're just gonna be driving for the next 10 hours?
Probably. I had a lot of water today, so I'm gonna be peeing.
Maybe three. We just crossed the border into South Carolina. Any comments?
Traffic's great. We should leave late
No.
Are you kidding me? Man, traffic here at 3 o'clock would have been horrible. We're just cruising.
Still a lot of cars on the road though.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's
Charlotte.
Thanksgiving Eve. On the road again.
Oh yeah.
Audiobook.
It's keeping me.
Game of Thrones. We're here. My battery's about to die. We're over here at Mike's aunt's beautiful Airbnb, and it's gorgeous. I'll have to ask her. She'll let me show it tomorrow. Do a little tour. We're gonna go to bed. I'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. Technically Thanksgiving. I kind of like that falls on Day 4. All right, bye.